What's up, everybody? This is Vincent Lee here with Track and Trade, and I've missed you guys. I know I haven't dropped the video on Friday, but I wanted to actually come on and talk about a very passionate topic of mine today, which is the PDT rule. The PDT rule is the pattern day trader rule, which pretty much only allows you to have 3 round trips. What is a round trip? A round trip is the buy and the sell of a spread or a stock intraday in the same day. Now, noted a round trip is not buying a stock on Monday and selling that same stock on Tuesday. It's buying that stock on Monday and selling that stock on Monday. Now, the purpose of this video is to teach you how to actually get around trading with the PDT rule, and what's your mindset actually kind of have to be successful in this market while you're under the PDT rule. Before we get deep into that, guys, I I need some love. I need some help. I need you to hit that like button, okay? Please hit it. Touch it. Please, just one time, okay? Just one time. I just need you to click it. Even hit the dislike button if you do not like it. Do not, just hit the dislike button, guys. Please do that for me, guys. That's going to absolutely help me out. That's going to help me grow this channel. That's going to help me grow this community and grow the positivity that we're going for here, guys. And real quick, if you absolutely want to take advantage of learning how to trade, I teach all of this I'm about to cover inside of my course. We have a special going on due to this pandemic where we're selling the course right now for $200, guys. I think $247 to be exact. Get that, guys. That is hot fire. That thing hot. Take advantage of that. That's going to be that first link below. And always please leave a comment. Now, with that being said, guys, what we're about to go into is how to take advantage of trading while you're in the PDT rule and what your mindset needs to be. Now, what you may be noticing, guys, is when you're under the PDT rule, you are mentally kind of stuck with the trades you take. What do I mean by that? Because you only have 3 round trips, you have 3 intraday trades, what happens is you start to get very insecure when you get inside of a trade. You start to get inside of it and you start to say in your mind, dude, I only have 2 more trades after this, or 1 more trade, or no trades after this. I need to hit my target profit. I need to hit my target for the month or for the week. So because of that, I'm going to just hold on to this spread and pray that it goes up. Guys, I've been extremely guilty of that. That's how I end up having one of my biggest red days, is when I was trading under the PDT rule and I didn't have 25K, and because I absolutely was trying to hit my target, which was 6% on the week, and I thought was very achievable for me because I had did that, all previously before. I ended up holding something a little too long, and it dipped down, and then it dipped down, and then it dipped down, and I just held on to it because I just was thinking about the rest of the week. Guys, take your time. That's the first piece of advice I can give you as a trader. If you're getting into this industry, not being patient is not going to serve you. You need to take your time in this market. Especially if you only have 3-day trades, you need to pick only the proper opportunities. Only the opportunities where you have no doubt at all that price is going to follow that pattern. And we're not doing this based off of emotion. Now, that is what confuses a lot of people in this industry as well, is because they think that their decision on trading a spread is backed up by fact, when it's really just backed up by wishful thinking, guys. I want you to only plan good trades based off of what the charts are showing you. Look at what I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at you guys right now. And I've drawn this line right here, this trend line, to symbolize a support. This would be an ideal area where I would want to buy this. Why? Because this is a previous support. So that's where I would set my alert. I would set my alerts, of course, to wait for confirmation. I'm not just going to blind buy in, guys. I'm looking for the perfect opportunities. So even though this is great because this is a previous support, I can see from here, this is a previous support. It normally changes direction here before, and it looks like it's starting to right now, right? I'm going to wait until I can confirm that. I'm going to wait until it breaks above maybe that middle VWAP line so that I can fully say in my mind, dude, we're making higher highs. We're fully changing our direction. Until I can say that, guys, I'm not going to trade this. Why? Because I'm risking my money and I only have 3-day trades. Those are the type of opportunities you should be looking for while you're under the PDT rule. Now, this video is about how to get over it. The way you get over the PDT rule is taking a swing trade. Now, if I wanted to swing trade this will also be a good opportunity to swing trade. I can absolutely plan the swing trade, because if I say, hey, I think this is a great swing trade opportunity because this is a previous support and it's already starting to prove signs of confirmation. I see this to be a great price point right now for you guys. I want to take an opportunity in it. I'm comfortable with the risk for the potential margin. I feel like from this support right here versus the potential margin of growth it has from previous highs, I feel like it has a great return on investment for my capital. So I'm going to take a position, but I'm going to practice good risk management. So I'm going to take an intraday position. And even though I don't advise people to ever take intraday positions on to take swing trade positions on ETFs, because ETFs decay over time, you still can see swing trade opportunity on good ETFs by just making sure you have good risk management. So if you were to take this position right now on confirmation when it makes higher highs throughout the day, and it can confirm that it's absolutely going to change its direction and make new highs, then I can go and get in and I can set my risk management, my stop loss for 2%. And if it does not hit that, then I have my stop loss order set to sell. Now, of course, you run the risk of that spread running up or running down overnight. That's the risk that you have to decide in your mind. Are you worthy taking? And of course, you should only trade what you understand and only trade what you're willing to risk. That being said, there's no stocks that offer just straight potential for growth, guys. Everything's a risk. So when you're taking a risk, you want to make sure it really makes sense to you. So you want to find very, very good opportunities, right? You want to trade ascending patterns. That's patterns, companies that's been making growth over a long period of time. That's companies that's been doing very, very well over a long period of time. A ticker symbol that just comes at the top of my mind, AMD. AMD from lows of like 3-4 months ago is making overall higher highs. It's going higher and higher and higher. Right, it's almost back at its highest point that has ever been at, which is $59. It's about $3 shy from that. So with that being said, guys, this is absolutely the time, if you're under the PDT rule, to be very choosy with your positions, to take your time, and to bring in some swing trades. Swing trades will help you deal with not having your 5 trading days. Me personally, I don't feel like if you're under 25K and if you've been day trading, I feel like if you've only been day trading under a year, like if you haven't even made the switch from simulated to paper, or you just made that switch from simulated trading to actual real trading, I honestly feel like you really shouldn't take a swing trade position. I feel like you should just focus on those 3 trades and trying to hit that your target with those 3 trades, picking literally the best opportunities possible. And they are on here. A lot of people say, well, they message me and say, well, how do I find these opportunities that you're talking about? They are on here, guys. You just have to be on here following the charts. You have to be following the news. For example, Netflix was a company that's doing very good right now. And Zoom is a company that's doing exceptionally good right now. Zoom just hit new highs. We knew that Netflix was going to have its earnings call. If you haven't been sleeping under a rock, you know Netflix is probably killing the game. Why? Because it is I think it's like one of the #1 streaming services, up there with Hulu and Disney Plus. And also, people are at home, so of course they're binging all of their favorite shows. They're watching even the shows they don't watch, guys. They're watching the things that they hate watching because they just are bored. So of course they're going to have more streams. They're going to have more viewer count. They're going to have more people subscribing. So of course it's going to go up. So if you were following news, if you was invested in the market fully, guys, you would say, hey, that earnings call is going to make Netflix go really, really up. Why? It's been doing really good. And look what happened on earnings call day. The price literally shot up 14% that day alone. Guys, this is not mystical magic on how people are making money in the stock market here. This is People that have dedicated themselves to this industry. They have dedicated themselves to being the best. They have dedicated themselves to being informed and knowledgeable and constantly training in this industry. If you are not doing that as a trader, guys, you are setting yourself up to fail. Do yourself a favor. Take trading super seriously. While you're under the PDT rule, okay, I get it. It sucks. You can't scalp stocks yet, guys. You can't make the big bucks like some of these other guys are doing, and you will not honestly be able to make that type of money until you're able to scalp, until you're able to actually just poke in and out and average up. Averaging up is not something you unfortunately can do as a PDT trader, guys. I get it. But my biggest thing I'm saying is while you're under the PDT rule, make sure you really, really value that time, guys. Let yourself be spoiled. Take very good positions. Do not take positions you do not understand. Do not take positions that have too much risk. Take positions where it's a solid support and you have confirmation, guys. Confirmation. That means you see two green candlesticks above the EMA. You're trading in this. You're trading on the upper half of the VWAP. I'll show you what that means really quick. On your VWAP, you're trading in this top half right here between the purple and the red VWAP. You're trading in this sector, which means, hey, this is very healthy right now. This price action is showing signs it's gonna go up. Make sure you're doing that for yourself, guys. That's gonna help you tremendously while being under the PDT rule. And secondly, if you're really trying to get past it, plan 2 swing trades, 3-day trades. And pick patterns that you know are ascending patterns. If you're going to swing trade, I highly advise you, 1, to test yourself, 2, to make sure you got the patience with simulated trading, and lastly, to make sure that you have a good eye for companies that's doing well in the week. How their price action is during weeks. How do they perform intraday? How much value do they normally gain during the week? What's a realistic span, guys? Like, be a scientist in this. Take this seriously. This is your money. And I promise you, the more time and more energy you dedicate to this market, the more output it's going to give you back. But if you're barely putting energy in, if you're just trying to talk to other people and get their opinions, if you're literally trying to get somebody to just tell you what to trade, you will not make money. You will lose money, guys. I'm going to say that again. If you are waiting for people to tell you what to trade, guys, listen. You will not make money. You are going to lose money. Okay? Damn. I just had to get that out here. Do yourself a favor. Do your own due diligence. With that being said, guys, I've made this video long enough. I wanted to talk to you about how to get over the PDT rule. Plan you some swing trades, guys. Pick dope positions. Don't pick crap. Don't pick garbage. Don't just try to trade. Don't just say it's power hour. I have to trade in power hour, guys. You're gonna go broke. Trade what you know, trade what you understand, and take your time, guys. You're given 3-day trades. Yes, I know it sucks, but use it to help you. Take your time. Be patient. With that being said, guys, if you're interested in staying active with us, guys, if you enjoy the channel, if you're enjoying what I'm doing, if you're enjoying the vibe I'm giving off, that love I'm giving you, I love you too, okay? I love you. I love you. If you're enjoying the channel, guys, do me a favor, guys. Like the video. It goes a long way for me, okay? You know, hit a comment, drop a little comment, say, yo, bro, you dropped that. You did that yet. You did that yet. Okay? And lastly, guys, also share the video to some homies. If you know they're trying to get a check, share it to them. Put your people on, guys. Join, get the course, guys. Learn how to trade. You're bored right now. Learn how to trade. Okay? That's going to help you and serve you. I hope you have a blessed day. That we have a Discord channel, guys, that's absolutely for free. You can join it and be part of our team, be part of our active members, guys. I hope you do. And I'm in there all the time. We have our Facebook group, our free Facebook group. I drop alerts. I post. I do notifications. I talk about the market, guys. I absolutely hope I see you there. Be blessed. Have a blessed day. Take care. Peace. I'll see you on the next video.